So hey guys, welcome to Dev. In today's video we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I will provide the link in the description. From there you can apply for that job. So let's start. So first hiring is conducted by the PayU and they are hiring for graduate trainee as associate integration engineer. This is all about the team, about the role and responsibilities of the candidate. So these are the requirements. So batch 2024 and 2025 are preferred from BE or BTech in CS or IT. Additional skills required, like you should have good problem solving skills, a logical thinker, and ability to deal with the complex issues, up to date with the technical knowledge. So these are the general needs. Have the knowledge about web development, one or more following things like Java, JavaScript, C, C++, C Sharp, VB.NET, then Python, PHP will be an advantage. So if you have this kind of skills, so you can apply for the job. So to apply for the job, you have to click on this apply now button and you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Tech Mahindra and they are hiring for technical support associate, US voice process, and the location will be Chandigarh in IT Park Chandigarh. The working days will be 5 days per week and the shifts will be rotational and the salary range will be 3 LPA to 3.5 LPA and the qualification is required, like a graduate candidates can be applied for the job only, and you must have excellent technical knowledge and good communication skills, and these are the perks and benefits. So you will get the cab to go and come to office, then you will have the exposure of international voice process for US clients, and freshers and experience both can be applied for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Nitco and they are hiring for AI ML engineers and the experience is required, like 0 to 1 years of experience can be applied for the job. That means freshers can be applied for the job. So you must have the skills like Python, SQL, Excel and visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. So these 4 skills are required. So if you have this kind of skills and you have made projects on it, so you can apply for the job. So here is the email ID. So you can share your resume through this email ID. So next hiring is conducted by the Siemens and they are hiring for intern as Python tool developer and the location will be Bangalore. So it will be the full-time job and the experience is required like fresher. So early professional, that means freshers can be applied for the job, and these are the requirements like bachelor's or master's degree in computer engineering or software engineering is required, and proficiency in Python, clean, structured and well documented code must be there, and you must have the knowledge about version control, that means it's like a Git or GitHub. Then you must have the good communication skills and collaborative mindset, and you must have the strong ability to solve problem solving skills and ability to work independently within a team. If you have this kind of skill set, so you can apply for the job. So from here you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the AlgoLeap Technologies and they are hiring for DevOps intern and the location will be Hyderabad. So these are the job descriptions. Bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, data science or related fields can be applied for the job, and if you have a master's degree, then it will be the plus point. You must have strong analytical skills and problem solving skills, and excellent communication and ability to work in a team, and the experience is required, like 1 to 2 years of experience can be applied for the job, and it will be the full-time job. So if you want to apply for the job, so you have to click on I am interested and you can apply for the job. Hiring is conducted by the share chat, and they are hiring for SDE as an intern, and it will be in Bangalore, India. The job location is in Bangalore, and here you can see the job description. So the duration for the internship is 6 months, and the stipend you will get during the internship will be 50,000 rupees. And the skills are required, like you must good in software development fundamentals such as data structures and algorithms, problem solving, OO design, and system architecture. And you must have the good verbal and written communication skills, and self-motivated attitude and ability to multitask. So this kind of skills are required. So if you have this kind of skill set, so you can apply for the job. So to apply, you have to click on easy apply and you can apply for the job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.